Hi guys, it's me Terry of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogtober day 30. Okay, so for my little project today, this is still following Laura over at Happy Berry Crochet here on YouTube. I did the little butterfly. I decided to do it on the I pinned it here on the phone so you could see it because it was hard for me to hold it up so you could get a good look at it. It was really easy and fun to do. I really liked the construction on how she did it. No problems with it. I used number 3 weight yarns, but you could use worsted weight or in a little bigger hook if you wanted to make it larger. I used 3.0 millimeter hook. I thought it would be really cute to pin or to put on a hat. A little baby hat would be cute because of the little size. A little baby jacket maybe up here on the side. Yeah, it's real cute. I enjoyed it, and it would be a very cute little embellishment for something on a little bag, Anyway, so that is my quick little project. I picked a little quick one because today being Wednesday is my I don't grocery shop every Wednesday, but it was a grocery shopping day today, so I had to run errands this morning. So anyway, on to the trivia questions from yesterday. Number 1 was, which actor plays Benson? Was it A, George Harris, B, Ben Vereen, C, Sherman Hemsley, or D, Robert Guillaume? And the answer to that one was D, Robert Guillaume. While Benson is undoubtedly Guillaume's most famous character, he had a prolific career with dozens of appearances in television, film, and theater. Okay. The Tony-nominated actor had a popular run playing the Phantom on Broadway in The Phantom of the Opera. I didn't know that. Has guest starred on Diagnosis Murder, 8 Simple Rules, and CSI Crime Scene Investigation, and was memorable as the voice of Rafiki in The Lion King. Okay. Number 2 was, how many seasons did the drama Dallas air on television? Was it A, 12, B, 13, C, 14, or D, 15? And the answer to that one was C, 14. The popular soap opera style show spanned the entire 80s decade, running from 1978 until 1991. Okay, so 14 seasons. Wow. Okay, number 3 from yesterday. Who was the only cast member of Dallas to ever win an Emmy for the show? Was it A, Barbara Bel Geddes, B, Larry Hagman, C, Jim Davis, or D, Linda Gray? And it was A, Barbara Bel Geddes. Bel Geddes was nominated 3 times and won once. Larry Hagman, Jim Davis, and Linda Gray were also nominated but never won. Okay, so questions for today. Number 1, Jean Smart left Designing Women after the 5th season, and Charlene was replaced by Sister Carlene. Who played that part? Was it A, Jan Hooks, B, Julia Duffy, C, Patricia Richardson, or D, Catherine Hicks? Okay, number 2, true or false? Queen Elizabeth was a huge fan of the Golden Girls. Okay. And then number 3, what does the P in Alex P. Keaton stand for? A, Philip, B, Paul, C, Patrick, or D, nothing? Okay. So now on to the Q&A section. Okay, Sarah asked me what my favorite brand of hooks are. Well, I would say it's a toss-up between Clovers, the Clover Amours, and the Tulips. And the reason I like them both is because of the cushioned handles. As you see, here's my hook collection. Not all of them. As you see, there's some empty holes there because a lot of them are in projects. But I've been trying to replace my majority of my older hooks that are just the aluminum hooks. I have different ones. I've been trying to replace them with the cushion handle hooks. Now some of those, let's see, some of them, I'm seeing if any of these are actually tulip hooks. I don't think so. I think the ones that I have that are actually tulips are in projects. But these are some that I just got off of Amazon, different sets. And I really like the ones with the cushion handles. They work well for me. As I've mentioned before, I broke a couple of bones in my hand, my left hand, which is my hook hand, a few years ago. And so my grip is just not the same as it used to be. And so these cushioned handled hooks help me a whole lot. They're just the most comfortable. I even bought these. They're these covers that I put onto some really small aluminum hooks. Now these covers, I believe they're made by Susan Bates. And they have different sizes. Like they have one that are for the skinnier hooks that's supposed to go up to, I don't remember, size H or something hook. And then they have some that are a little bit bigger for the bigger hooks. But I have like 3 of these, I see. And what I did is I put them on my real skinny ones. Like this is an F, which is 3.75. This one's a 2.75. And so is this one. Oh, and I have another one. I think maybe I put it on a G hook that I had, but it's in the other room. But anyway, they work pretty well, these covers. But I definitely have to use something that's got a cushioned hook. That just seems like that works so much better for me. So, oh, and my husband made this. I've mentioned it before, but my husband made this rack for me to put my hooks in. So, thank you. Thank you, hubby. Okay, so that's answering Sarah's question. Okay, next question. Okay, so next question, Grace asked me if I can demonstrate how to attach arms, legs, ears, etc. to amigurumis. Yes, I have been asked that by several people, and so I want to make a tutorial doing that in the future. So yes, I will be doing that. I wouldn't call myself an expert at doing it, but I can show you I can show you how I do it. So maybe that'll help somebody, I don't know. Okay, so Tina asked me, have you enjoyed Vlogtober, and are you glad that it's almost over? Well, a little of both. No, a lot. I've enjoyed it. I have enjoyed it a whole lot. This has really been fun. I've been enjoying doing these little projects and being able to visit with all of you. Am I glad it's almost over? Well, a little bit, because making a video every day it really hasn't been that big of a problem, but I do need a little break. Get back to my weekly video, but it kind of makes me want to do even a few more extra videos here and there that are just kind of visiting or crochet and chatting or something, or maybe even doing some live streaming every once in a while, maybe a couple of times a month or something. I don't know. But it has been fun. I've been enjoying it. So yeah. But stay tuned. I do have plans for December, so that's coming up quick. So I had several people asked me about the asparagus sandwiches that I was talking about in was it a couple of days ago? We were talking about holiday traditions or family traditions or something, and I was talking about some asparagus sandwiches that I always make at Christmas. I had quite a few people ask me what that was or if I could share the recipe. So I think that would be a fun thing to do. I've never done a cooking. Oh, it's not really it's not really cooking. It's a super simple recipe, but I have never done any sort of a recipe tutorial. So I think that would be fun to do. I'll try to put that together, especially now that the holidays are coming up. When we get closer to Christmas, I'll do a little tutorial showing you how to make those. So stay tuned for that. Okay, and one last question. Grace asked me what do I enjoy more, cooking or baking? Or something else food related. Okay, I would say cooking. I don't do a whole lot. Well, I used to do more baking than I do now. It doesn't seem like I do that as much baking as I used to, but I do enjoy cooking. I do a lot of, like I said, I cook a lot of low carb type meals, and so except for like special occasions and stuff, I'll do other things, but a lot of the low carb cooking, you have to cook more. Well, not everything, but I tend to find myself cooking a whole lot more from scratch, and so and I enjoy doing that. It makes a lot of dirty dishes though, but that just comes with it. But yeah, I think I would say I enjoy cooking more than baking. Yeah. So thanks for coming by today and for Vlogtober Day 30. And come back tomorrow and we'll have one more Vlogtober visit for Vlogtober Day 31. See you later, guys. Bye.